Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent structure. The molecule contains a 4-membered ring, cyclobutane, with one double bond inside the ring, making it a cyclobutene. Moving on to the next step. Locate substituents on the ring. The double bond in the ring is between C1 and C2, cyclobut-1-Na. At C1, one end of the double bond, there is a methyl group, CH3. At C2, the other end of the double bond, there is a CH2-ChO, acetaldehyde methylene group. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The ChO group is an aldehyde, which has the highest seniority among the functional groups present. For IUPAC nomenclature, when the aldehyde carbon is not part of the ring, the chain CH2-ChO is named as ethanal with the ring as a substituent. And for the final step, name the ring substituent. The cyclobutene ring bearing a methyl group at C2, relative to the point of attachment, is named 2-methylcyclobut-1-N-1 while when the attachment point is C1 of the double bond. Combine the names. The full compound is named as a derivative of ethanal, the CH2 is C2 of ethanal, and the ring is attached at C2. Thus the name is 2,2-methylcyclobut-1-N-L ethanal. Verify. The parent chain is ethanal, 2 carbons ending in ChO. The substituent on C2 of ethanal is the 2-methylcyclobut-1-N-1 while group, cyclobutene ring with methyl at C2 of the ring, double bond between C1 and C2 of the ring, attached via C1. This matches the structure drawing. Therefore, the correct answer is 2,2-methylcyclobut-1-N-L ethanal. The correct answer is shown on screen.